Hi, in this video, I'm going to solve practice question for estimating the mean and finding the modal class for the group. Okay, the table shows the mark obtained by a group of students for an assignment. So we need to find first the midpoint from 0 to 10. So which is this midpoint is 5, 10 to 20 is 15, and next 25 to 25 we got 35, 45, then we got 55. Frequency times midpoint. So 5 times 2 is 10, 15 times 5 is 75, 25 times 13 is 325, 35 times 16 is 560, 45 times 14 is equal to 630, 55 times 13 is 715. So let us find this total of frequency. We addition all. 2 plus 5, 7 plus 13 is 20. We got 16 plus 14 and plus by 13, which is 63. Here we addition all the sum. So 10 times 75 times 325 times 560. So this total is 2315. So this is complete. So calculate and estimate for the mean mark. So the estimate, so the total, so mean estimate, total frequency times midpoint divided by frequency divided by total frequency. So we got 2315 divided by 63. So the answer is gonna be 36.75 with 2 decimal places. What is the modal class of this mark? The highest is 16, so the modal is from here 30 until 40. Okay. Number 2, let's get it bigger. Okay, the table show the number, so we need to find the midpoint. So let me write the midpoint here. This midpoint. So from 30 to 36, the midpoint is 33.5. 36 to 41, the midpoint is 38.5. And then from 41 to 46, the midpoint is 43.5. And from 46 to 51, the midpoint is 48.5. Here, if you confuse how to get the midpoint, so we just addition like 46 plus by 51 and we divide by 2. So it's gonna be 97 divided by 2 is 48.5. Okay, 51 to 55, so this midpoint is 53.5 and the last is 58.5. So here this frequency 40 plus 70 plus by 80, 90. So this will give us the answer of, okay, 20 and 80 is gonna be 100. 40 and 60 also 100. Here is gonna be 160 plus by 200. So this total is 360. Now here we need to find the midpoint multiplied with the frequency. That is frequency. So we got 33.5 times 40. So this just multiply. So I will just write the answer. So 1340. Here we multiply it 2695. This two number we multiply 3480. Here also we multiply 4365. Here we multiply maybe 3210, and last we multiply 170. So we addition all, the total is 16,260. So the estimate, the word per minutes is, you can find it from here, 16,260. We divide by, this total is 360. So this is gonna be 45.17. How many words do the most programmers manage to type per minute? So here 90 words. So the per minute is from 46 to 51 minutes. Okay, there it is. Thank you.